Today we're gonna be making sesame chicken and fried rice for lunch. Usually I don't eat healthy, but today we're gonna be trying. You wanna get your water boiling first, and then it's not boiling yet, but we're gonna go ahead and put the cup of rice in it. We'll just mix it in, and then we're gonna put the top on it. While the rice cooks for 20 minutes, we're gonna chop chicken. I'm gonna cut it in lines first. And then you wanna cut into little squares, or close to squares. And you want to cut off any fat you see. Turn the heat down. Alright, now that all our chicken's cut, we can start putting the breading on it and then frying it. Okay, now we're gonna take 2 eggs. And then salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix it together. And then we have half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch. Just make sure both of those are mixed. All right, now we're gonna get the chicken, get like a handful, toss it around the eggs. Actually, we're gonna put it all in the eggs. Now you're gonna take all of this and you're gonna do a handful at a time, just putting it in the flour mixture. And with your other hand, you can mix it around. Now our chicken's breaded, so we're gonna use vegetable oil and fry it now. While we wait for the oil to heat up, we're gonna make the sauce for the chicken. All right, we got 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Two tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Lastly, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. You want to mix it all together. I think some of the cornstarch is just gonna have to be, because I don't feel like pulling with it. Good enough. All right, now we're gonna fry the chicken. You want to get like a few pieces and just put it on your spatula. Alright, then and you want to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Yeah. The amount of stuff that gets left over is kind of crazy. Alright, this is all the chicken done. And now we're gonna start by putting some oil on this pan. And then we're gonna cook the sauce and then put the chicken in the sauce. You wanna get a teaspoon of minced garlic and a teaspoon of oil. And then just let it simmer for about a minute. Alright, now you want to put your sauce in here, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 4 minutes. Alright, now we're gonna add the chicken. Alright, now we're gonna coat all of the chicken. Alright, now we're gonna put sesame seeds on it. Alright, now we're going to cook up an egg for the rice. You want half a stick of butter and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And you want to mix that together and mash the butter, of course. You want to put your rice in with a little on a skillet thing. Now you want to add in your butter and soy sauce, which it didn't really mix, but we're going to add it. Now you want to mix that in, and you want to just mix it all around. Before I finish mixing, we're going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil. We're gonna mix that in. Alright, it should look like this, and now we're gonna add in our egg. Alright, now we're gonna mix that through. This is the finished product, and I might put some yum yum sauce on there too.